Hey guys, welcome back to Chris Hairpire. In this video, I will be showing you how to blend your braiding expression perfectly and the right way too. So here we actually blending 3 colors together. So when blending, depend on the number of colors you're blending, you just bring them all together, put it together and start separating and dragging the way I'm doing in the video here. I don't know how to put that. Like, you just do what I'm doing here in the video, and this should be after you feather the hair so that the edges or the end will look like good, will look good. Then you just go ahead and keep blending as you see me doing here. Then when it's a little bit cloudy already around your hands, you can go ahead with your brush. Guys, see what I'm doing here? Sometimes I go in, this is just to show you how I blend it, because some colors just get stuck in one position and they don't separate. Okay, now you hold it very tight and firm as you see me doing. Then you brush. You should be holding it very tight and firm so that the braiding hair doesn't come off. If not, you'll be wasting the hair. So this is the first stage right here. This already looks good. Some people prefer it at this stage. Even if you braid it like this, it will still look good, but I want everything to blend in very well, like thread to thread. Like the strands should blend in very well. That's why I keep on mixing and mixing, like keep stretching the way you see me doing here. And for the whole process, I will stretch, like I will brush like 3 times. I've already brushed once. I will still brush again, and the last time. That's just because I want everything to blend in perfectly well. If not, the second time blending was just good. Okay guys, let me leave you to wash and see how it goes. If you are new in this channel, that is, if this is your first time on my channel, please, there are a lot of good things here for you and many more are still coming. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to become a member of this family, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be instantly notified. And welcome back to all my returning subscribers. I love you guys. I love my new subscribers, first timers. I love you guys. So just hit that subscribe button. Let's do this together. A lot of good things are coming. Here, see what I'm doing? This is a trick for you not to shed more hairs when braiding. Make sure you send your hands individually and grab all the hair before stretching it, like you see me doing. Make sure you grab all the hairs on the way, yes, like that, so that your hair won't fall off, like when during the brushing you won't shed more hair. So I'm just going in right now, trying to blend the details, like where same color is crowded or packed. I'm just trying to separate it because I want everything to blend like very well. So guys, see how I'm actually holding that tight just to secure it and make sure when brushing no hair comes off. Please, when brushing, always start from down, like from the bottom part, and brush upward. That way it won't tangle, the hair will not be tangling, and you brush it smoothly with no stress. So when brushing, always start brushing from down. Guys, see what we got here. This color is honey. Like this honey color is very beautiful. So guys, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you think this blend was a success. You see that color, is that wood like honey, the color is just so nice. Subscribe guys.